This is an unboxing video of diesel watch DZ4460. Okay. Since we've already opened it from one side, here we're going to show you. This is the box we've received. Okay. Alright, so here's the box. This is the logo that is there, so we'll just quickly try to remove it. Okay, and this is what it looks like from inside. What we've got inside is this warranty validation from Fossil Group. I think they are the importers of the diesel official watches. Okay, so this is the box that has come along with it. So something is written over here, the collateral material kind of, and now what we're gonna do is remove the box. Okay, so here is the box. It looks pretty decent. That's how it looks, and there's something mentioned here. Let me clearly try to show you. Just a moment. Yeah, something is written over there anyhow. So this is the box that it has come with. Okay, so we're going to open this box. Okay, and what we see is this watch inside here. Okay. This is the watch. Okay, this is the watch, and this is the booklet that has come along with it. Okay, without wasting much of time, we'll quickly show you the watch that has come. It has come with this diesel sticker which shows various things, and do not rub me the wrong way, I think this is some booklet kind of stuff that has come along with it. So here we got the leaflet kind of. Okay, whatever it is, I'm just quickly gonna show you the watch, how it looks like. This is the original diesel watch that we've received. Okay, so that's how you can make out. Okay, so this is just to show you how the watch looks like. Everything is embossed diesel. Yeah, that's it.